All right, we have here, it is a 2014 Town and Country. Came from a different shop. He was confused. They said the transmission front pump seal was leaking. So I brought it here, and it was leaking all down the bottom. And however, you can see oil down here on top of the transmission. This is a 62 TE transmission, so oil all down there. But that's not where it's leaking from. All right, Tony, go ahead. See that? That's the gear shift selector right there. It's running down and just dropping on the transmission. Coming right out of there. And it is running down on the axle and everything. As fast as you drive is as fast as that's going to come out. And it's just steady coming. And it fills everything up. Look at it. Alright, there's a bushing in there. So this got to be replaced. So we got to take this whole valve body cover and everything out in order to, first got to find one. Alright. That's very quick, simple. I don't know how that thing went bad in there, but it went bad.
Because it was leaking when I got here. Or you bought it.
Alright. That's the Town and Country. Alright, okay, so we got this part out. And here's the one that came out. If you look on here, you see a big long crack right there. Right big long crack, which is causing the leak. Here's the one that's I saved just in case I had this issue, which maybe was once in 5 years. And you see no crack at all. This is the one we're going to put in. Alright.
That was supposed to be priority.
We got the valve body down. And it comes up through the top. Didn't show you how to do it, but just showing what's leaking, so you don't have to take the trans out to do it. You got a pin that goes through there, and you put it in. But since I gotta try to do this fast, I don't have nobody who can hold this to show you how I'm doing it. Maybe I'll try to show something. Okay, this got to come up through the top. So we're gonna have to take this and put it back, and it's gonna come out through this hole right here, and it's gonna come on down through there into this trans range sensor. All right.